Alright, here we are at the Village Inn in Blowing Rock. We're in a family suite. It's pet friendly. It's a closet space. I've kind of unloaded a little bit already, so excuse the mess. Looks like we got 2 double or queen beds. I'll find out. Got a little mini fridge, microwave. This is neat. Coffee, you can get everything restocked at their little lobby area. Okay. This is a pull-out couch, but it'd be really, really small in here if you pulled that out, so. Bathroom. And right outside is a really, really awesome wraparound deck. It's probably one of the largest patios here. And the dogs can't get out, which is nice. Dude.